Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all pins on Pinterest. So pins on Pinterest are the pictures that you save created by other user that you save on your profile. And here I'm going to show you how you can delete all of the pins that you created. So here, let's just launch the Pinterest app. Okay, so to find the pins that you created, you can just go to your profile by clicking on your photo here at the bottom right corner, and you'll find all your pins. So this, I have 3 pins on my profiles in here. So let's just click on the pins in here, and what you need to do to delete the pins is that you can click on the photo in here. And then you can click on the 3 dots icon on the photo. Sorry, you just need to long press on the pins that you want to delete, and there will be this pencil icon pop up. You can just drag your finger to go to the edit options in here, and there will be this delete this pin option. You can click on that, and Pinterest will ask you, if you delete this pin, it will be gone for good, and those who save it won't be able to view it. So you can just click on delete, and now you can just repeat the steps if you want to delete all of your pins. So just long press, go to the pencil icon in here, the edit page, and tap on delete this pin and delete again. Okay, now the last one in here, let's just repeat the same step. Edit, tap on delete this pin and click on delete. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my profile. So there is no pins now, but this is the suggestion from the Pinterest. If you want to also delete it, you can just repeat the same steps, I think, or you can just click on the 3 dots icon in here. Let's just find if I can click on edit pin and tap on delete this pin. So it's a little bit different. So you can click on the photo first, click on the 3 dots icon, go to the edit pin, and then delete this pin. Delete again. And so now the pin has been deleted. So guys, that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and also click on the subscribe button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.